Hi guys, this is Sam and today I'm going to be setting up my bullet journal for the month of March. My theme for this month is turtles and it came out super cute, so I'm super excited to show you what I did with all of my spreads and how I incorporated the turtles in every single one of my pages. If you've seen my past videos, you know that next to my cover I usually do a monthly overview, but I'm finding that I'm just not using it enough. So for this month, instead of having a monthly overview, I decided to put a little quote, and for it to fit the turtles theme, I wrote, "It doesn't matter how slow you go as long as you don't stop." I thought it was really cute and I like how I decorated it with the turtle and the plants, and yes, I'm very proud of it. So right after what essentially is my cover, I did my habit tracker, and I did the same setup for January and my pen smudged like crazy, but I really liked the actual setup, so I decided to switch the pen for this month. I'm listing it down below if you want to know what it is. But I found that it didn't smudge at all, and I am very happy with that because for me this is the habit tracker setup that works the best. As you can see, this is just a chart and the habits are on the top and the days of the week are on the side. Every month I like to do a gratitude log, and for this month I decided to really just go ahead and play with it. So I ended up doing a huge turtle, and I left 31 spaces throughout the turtle, so some in the shell, some in the other body parts, to write the 31 things that I'm grateful for in March. And I'm very proud of how it turned out. I think it's really pretty. And my handwriting is pretty small, so even though the spaces look small, I think everything will fit because I usually write like a word or a small sentence, things like that. And yeah, I'm very excited to put this spread to use. So now we're gonna jump into the actual planner side of my bullet journal. And the first thing that I'm gonna do is my calendar view. And for this month, like I said before, I didn't put my overview next to my cover page, but I still want a place to put the main things that are happening that month. So for my calendar view, if you've seen my videos, you know that I usually like to put all of my assignments and what to do inside of the actual calendar squares. But next to it, I usually put like a section for notes, but I'm replacing that with my overview. So in that overview, I'm gonna be putting down the most important things, such as events, appointments, if I have a concert, if there's a birthday, something like that, I'm gonna put next to my calendar. As far as my weeklies go, I decided to do some vertical and some horizontal spreads. I usually just stick to the same one for the entire month, but I just wanted to play around with it. So the first one is a vertical one, and it's very simple. It's just vertical boxes, and I divide them into two. So the top part is for my to-do lists, so everything I have to do that day I put on top, and the bottom part is to put the things that are due that day. So for school, if I have an assignment due on Monday, I put it on the bottom. Same thing if I have an event or an appointment or something like that, I put on the bottom, but the top is only for my to-do lists. The next one is actually a horizontal one, and I follow the same thing where instead of having a top and a bottom, I have a small side and a bigger side. And in the bigger side, I put all of my to-do lists, and on the small one, I put the things that are due. And for this one, I put a little quote because I was feeling a little creative. So next to the turtle, it says, "Clear blue water, high tide came and brought you in." It's a Taylor Swift quote. And I just thought it looked cute, so I put it there. My third weekly is in the exact same format as the second week, but I just decorated it differently. And finally, my last weekly is in the exact same format as the first one, as a vertical one, but again, I just did a different decoration. That is it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't for more bullet journal content. Thank you so much for watching and happy planning, you guys!